Hello everybody, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to fix temperature sticker problem on Instagram stories. As you can see here, the temperature sticker is missing. Many users cannot add temperature sticker to their stories because it doesn't appear in the stickers page. Luckily, there is a simple solution to this. Mainly, the problem persists because you have set your phone location settings so that Instagram app cannot get a data about your location, as Instagram gets a temperature data from your location settings only. So you either denied Instagram access to your location, or you have disabled location setting on your phone in general. I'm using a phone that is running on Android, so I will show you how to enable access my location in settings and allow Instagram to get your location data. This should fix the temperature sticker missing problem. So just go to your phone settings, scroll down to access location settings. Make sure that access my location at the top is turned on. Then click location. Scroll down till you find Instagram app. Click on it. Select to allow location access all the time. Done. Now go back to your Instagram stories and check whether the problem has been fixed. As you can see, temperature sticker is now available for me. I hope that you found this guide helpful and now know how to fix temperature sticker problem on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.